Hi students, welcome to Mokshi's Education. Today we are going to discuss about kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. Mycology. So these organisms are heterotrophic organisms. Heterotrophic organisms. Heterotrophic organisms means they cannot prepare their own food material. They are dependent upon other organisms. So these are called heterotrophic organisms. They can show great diversity in morphology and habitat. They can show great diversity in morphology and habitat. అంటే బాహ్య స్వరూపంలోను మరియు ఆవాసంలోను ఇవి ప్రత్యేకతను కలిగి ఉంటాయి. మష్రూమ్స్ అండ్ టోడ్స్టూల్స్ ఆర్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఫంగై. మష్రూమ్స్ అండ్ toadstools are belongs to fungi. Due to the fungi, bread and orange are spoiled. Due to the fungi, bread and orange are spoiled. White spots observed in mustard due to the parasitic fungi. అంటే ఆవాలపైన తెల్ల మచ్చలు అనేటివి గమనిస్తాము. అవి వేటి వలన వస్తాయంటే పారాసైట్స్ ఫంగై వలన కలుగుతాయి. సో యూనిసెల్యులార్ ఫంగై ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈస్ట్. యూనిసెల్యులార్ ఫంగై ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈస్ట్. See here, unicellular means so they are made up of only one cell or single cell. So for that example, yeast. So it is used to make bread and beer. It is used to make bread and beer. Which one we are using to make bread and beer? Yeast are using to make bread and beer. So some fungi causes to disease plants and animals. So for example, wheat rust caused by Puccinia. Wheat rust. So caused by Puccinia. అంటే పక్సీనియా అనేటువంటి శిలీంధ్రం వలన వీటిలో రస్ట్ తెగులు అనేది కలుగుతుంది. సో యాక్చువల్లీ దీస్ ఫంగైస్ ఆర్ కాస్మోపాలిటన్. దే అక్కర్ ఇన్ ఎయిర్, వాటర్, సాయిల్, ప్లాంట్స్ అండ్ అనిమల్స్. సో హియర్ కాస్మోపాలిటన్ మీన్స్ దే ఆర్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీవేర్. అంటే విశ్వవ్యాప్తంగా ఈ ఫంగై అనేటివి ఉంటాయన్నమాట. ఓకే. సో నెక్స్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ట్, సో రిమైన్ ఆల్ ఫంగై ఆర్ ఫిలమెంట్ ఇన్ నేచర్. సో ఎక్సెప్ట్ యూనిసెల్యులార్ ఫంగై, సో రిమైన్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఫిలమెంట్ ఇన్ నేచర్. సో ఫిలమెంట్ మీన్స్ so like this structure is have this structure is called filament. The body consists of long thread filament like structures. is called hyphae. The body consists of long thread filament-like structures is called hyphae. What is hyphae? Hyphae means సన్నగా పొడవుగా దారం వంటి నిర్మాణాన్ని ఏమని పిలుస్తాము? హైపే అని పిలుస్తాము. See here, observe. It is what is it? It is a structure of hyphae. So these all hyphaes together and form mycelium. అంటే అన్ని శిలీంధ్రాలన్నీ కలిసి ఏం ఏర్పడుతుంది? శిలీంధ్ర జాలం అనేది ఏర్పడుతుంది. ఆల్ hyphaes టుగెదర్ అండ్ ఫార్మ్ mycelium. Mycelium. See here, structure of mycelium once. It is a structure of mycelium. So all hyphaes together and form mycelium. Okay. So some fungi are sources of antibiotic like penicillium. అంటే కొన్ని ఫంగైస్ నుంచి మనము యాంటీబయాటిక్స్ను తయారు చేస్తాము. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యాంటీబయాటిక్ బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పెనిసిలియం. Antibiotics example penicillium. Some hyphae contain multinucleated cytoplasm. So that hyphae is called cenocytic hyphae. Cenocytic hyphae. Cenocytic hyphae. Cenocytic means so they have number of nuclei. Once observe here. So it is example for which hyphae? Cenocytic hyphae. They have number of nuclei with cytoplasm. That hyphae is called cenocytic hyphae. So in some hyphae, septae or walls are present. So they are called septate hyphae. Septate hyphae. Septate hyphae. Septate hyphae means, see here, so it is a structure of hyphae. Structure of hyphae. In between the two nuclei, septae or walls are present. Septum or walls are present. So this hyphae is called septate hyphae. That is called septate hyphae. Fungi cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharides. Chitin and polysaccharides. So fungi cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharides. So it is important. So next, when you are observing in archaebacteria, in archaebacteria, cell wall is made up of pseudomurin. Pseudomurin. But when you are observing in a bacteria, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. In a bacteria, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. But when you are observing in plants, cell wall is made up of cellulose. In plants, cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay, so these are very important. So fungi cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharides. Archaebacteria cell wall is made up of pseudomurin. Bacteria cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, and plants cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay, so in fungi, food material is stored in the form of glycogen and oil. So in fungi, food material is stored in the form of glycogen and oil. So most of the fungi are heterotrophs, means they cannot prepare their own food material, they are dependent upon other organisms. So they get their food material from dead and decaying organic matters. So they are called saprophytes. They are called saprophytes. Saprophytes. So some organisms are dependent upon other organisms. Means like plants and animals. They are called parasites. Parasites. So some organisms are live as a symbiont. Symbiont. So here symbiont means two organisms are get benefit. So symbiotic association means so two organisms are present. So two organisms are get benefit. That type of association is called symbiotic association. See, observe here. So in a symbiotic association, fungi is associated with algae and form lichens. How lichens are formed? Lichens are formed by fungi and algae. So here both organisms are get benefit. How they are get benefit means, so fungi absorb water and minerals from the soil. So these water and minerals are give to the algae. So by using these water and minerals, algae are prepare food materials. So these food give to fungi. So here both organisms are get benefit. This type of association is called symbiotic association. Next, another example. These fungi are associated with higher plants roots. Higher plants roots. So that is called mycorrhiza. That is called mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza. So here also get benefit. How they will get benefit means, so higher plants roots give shelter to the fungi. So these fungi is absorb water and minerals from the soil and give to the higher plants roots. So this type of association is called symbiotic association. Okay. Yes. Next, we can observe reproduction. So here reproduction means the production of offsprings or young ones is called reproduction. So actually in fungi, three type of reproduction we can observe. Three type of reproduction we are observe. Reproduction. So three type of reproduction. No? So one is vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. Next, another one is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Next, third one is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. So observe here, first one is vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction means, so by vegetative parts like roots, stems and leaves, they can produce their young ones. That type of reproduction is called vegetative reproduction. So actually fungi reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation. Fragmentation. Next, fission. Next, another one is budding. So fragmentation, fission and budding are the example for vegetative reproduction. Next, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means without fusion of male and female gametes, they can produce their young ones. That type of reproduction is called asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction example here, conidia. Conidia. Next, sporangiospores. Sporangiospores. Next, zoospores. Zoospores. Conidia, sporangiospores and zoospores are the example for asexual reproduction. Next, Third one is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means fission of male and female gametes, they can produce their young ones, is called sexual reproduction. See, sexual reproduction example, oospores. 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 Next, ascospores. Ascospores. Next, basidiospores. Basidiospores. Oospores, ascospores and basidiospores are the example for asexual reproduction. Various spores are formed in distinct structures is called fruiting bodies. Fruiting bodies. See, observe here. It is a fruiting body. Structure of a fruiting body. So means various spores are present inside the fruiting bodies. Okay. In fungi, sexual cycle involve 3 steps. They are plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Sexual cycle in fungi, how many steps are there? 3 steps are there. One is plasmogamy. Plasmogamy. Next, another one is karyogamy. Karyogamy. Next, last one is meiosis. So these are the 3 steps in the sexual cycle. First step is plasmogamy. Plasmogamy means fission of cytoplasm. So between the motile or non-motile gametes is called plasmogamy. Fission of cytoplasm. Fission of the cytoplasm between the motile or non-motile gametes. Next, another one is karyogamy. Fission of 2 nuclei is called karyogamy. Fission of 2 nuclei is called karyogamy. Next, meiosis. Meiosis means, so actually division occur in a zygote, resulting haploid spores are formed. That is meiosis. Haploid spores. Haploid spores are formed in a zygote by meiosis. Okay, like this. In fungi sexual cycle, 3 stages are present. One is plasmogamy, another one is karyogamy, next one is meiosis. Okay, so it is very, very important. Okay. So next, when you are observing in fungi sexual reproduction, both haploid hyphae are come to each other and fuse. అంటే మనము లైంగిక ప్రత్యుత్పత్తిని ఫంగైలో గమనిస్తే రెండు హైపేలు ఒకదానికొకటి దగ్గరికి రావడం జరుగుతుంది. దగ్గరకు వచ్చి వాటి మధ్య ఫ్యూజన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సో సెక్షువల్ రీప్రొడక్షన్ ఇన్ ఫంగై. సెక్షువల్ రీప్రొడక్షన్ in fungi. Once we have to observe, so these are the haploid hypase. So these are the haploid hypase. When these are involving in sexual reproduction, so both are coming to each other and fuse. So one is plus mating. Next, another one is minus mating cell. These two are come to each other and fuse. In some fungi, when will fuse two cells, so immediately resulting in diploid condition. Immediately resulting in diploid condition. See, observe here. ఎప్పుడైతే వీటి మధ్య ఫ్యూజన్ అనేది జరుగుతుందో, సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ సెల్. సో ఇమీడియట్లీ two nuclei are there, no? They are combined. They are combined and form one nucleus. So that is which stage? Diploid in stage. However, in some fungi like Ascomystis and Basidiomystis, so two nuclei are not combined. That stage is called dikaryotic stage. However, in some fungi like Ascomystis and Basidiomystis occur dikaryotic stage. Dikaryotic stage. Dikaryotic stage means what? In one cell have two nuclei. One cell have two nuclei. So that stage is called dikaryotic stage. That condition is called dikaryotic. Dikaryotic condition. అంటే ఆ సెల్ అనేది ఏ స్థితిలో ఉంటుంది? ద్వికేంద్రక స్థితిలో ఉంటుంది. ద్వికేంద్రక స్థితిలో ఉంటుంది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? సో దీస్ two nuclei are combined and cell become diploid in nature. Cell become diploid in nature. The fungi form fruiting bodies in which reductional division occurs, that is leading to formation of haploid spores. Formation of haploid spores. See, observe here. The fungi have fruiting bodies. So fruiting bodies are present. So inside the fruiting bodies, Which division occur? Reductional division occurs. So means occur meiosis. In the process of meiosis, so which one are formed? Haploid spores are formed. Haploid spores are formed. So it is about characteristics of fungi.